was when I moved for my higher studies to Delhi. I joined SRCC and I was putting up with my relatives. So within 2-3 days, it was like whatever we are eating in NCR it's not adulterated. It's beyond adulteration. That is something which is very polluted. There are two stages in green vegetables and fruits, but in dairy and poultry there are multiple stages. Especially in dairy, even in poultry, from the poultry farm it reaches to the market. So either you can use preservatives while selling it to the consumer, but in dairy there are 4 stages of adulteration. And that is why it affects the most to the kids, to pregnant women, to early mothers. Everyone in the household gets mostly affected by the milk. Every stakeholder is involved in doing some kind of either adulteration or addition to the milk. Because milk is something which passes through several stages before it reaches the final consumer. The fat is low. If you have to increase the fat, you give refined oil to the cattle. Then again, the commission for the collection guy is very minimal. So he starts adding synthetic milk to it. Because ultimately if he is going to add water, then he'll get, the fat content will decrease and the price will not be the same. The price is decided based on the fat content of the milk. We start from the scratch, like we grow our own fodder, grains, everything, and we are developing a cluster of farms around NCR. We have just started with Rewari. So now this movement has started almost, you can say, half a decade or so, that people are getting more eager to know about organic. Consumers are getting, they are getting themselves educated via internet or via other sources on organic, and it's growing good. People in NCR are inquiring about organic milk. Earlier it was a misconception in consumers' mind that something which is coming from a natural source is by default organic. Let's say cow or buffalo is a living thing. It's a natural thing. You are not making milk in factory. So it bound to be organic, but it is not like that. So now people know that whatever the cattle eats, it translates into the milk. So that is why it is good to have organic milk, because every milk is not organic. So now they can differentiate. Apart from this, they have figured out that, let's say, a family of 4 with 2 kids and 2 adults consumes roughly quarter to 2 or 2 liters per day, and this translates into rupees 1500 of monthly difference in their kitchen budget. So now they have understood the fact that skipping an outing, a dinner with the family once in a month, or let's say movie or something, can substitute your milk extra budget for the milk in the kitchen.